Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you fix GCash. Your internet connection seems unstable. If you're seeing your internet connection seems unstable on GCash, it usually means that app can't communicate properly with their services. This often happens when your network is weak, slow, or inconsistent. Even if you're technically connected, fluctuating signals can trigger this error. The first thing is, I usually do check other online apps. If they're loggy too, the problem is probably your internet. Switching to a stronger Wi Fi signal or using mobile data sometimes fixes it. Peak hours or congested networks can also make this happen, so sometimes just waiting for a quieter time helps. Another trick is to turn off VPNs or proxies, since Gcache can block connections through those. Clearing the app's cache can help too. Getting to settings and then head over to the apps, Gcache. Now let's click clear cache. If that doesn't work, restart your phone or router for a fresh connection. Doing the steps usually fixes the issue and gets you back in Gcash smoothly. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.